Hey everyone, this is Taylor Western with Speech Eats. It is Saturday night and my fiance and I like to just throw in something super quick into the meal. We are doing my dinosaur pasta or the Grinch pasta, and I kind of combined it with like a buttery pasta. I watched Benjamin Babish's butter noodles and my fiance loves it. So I'm making this with a little bit of extra vegetables to get your kids to enjoy it. So far I already have just one package of Trader Joe's broccoli sauteing in here, and then I added in 3 cloves of garlic, some red pepper flakes, and salt and pepper. And then I'm just using some 1 pound of penne pasta. I'm gonna throw it all together. This is a great way to get your kids to eat vegetables by adding in broccoli and say they're dinosaur treats to get your kids involved. I always say make food fun, so saying, oh, these are dinosaur treats and mixing in with your pasta to get, or even if your kids are not big on vegetables, putting them on the side, letting them maybe dip it in the sauce is a good way to do this. Or you could even have a no thank you bowl. So serving this, and if your kids are like, no, there's vegetables in it, having a no thank you bowl at the table and putting the broccoli in is a good way to get your kids to, touch the food. And if they don't eat it, it's okay. So I'm also added a little bit of lemon juice. I'm gonna squeeze that in. And this is optional, but I like to, like I said, I like to use what I have in my cabinet, but I'm using a tablespoon of the Costco pesto. I buy it all the time. It's in the refrigerator section and it's fantastic. And then, like I said, it's buttered pasta. So we have our butter right here. I like to get that Irish butter. It's really, really good. It's got that yellow consistency. And I usually buy it in bulk at Costco, but they also sell it at Trader Joe's for a really good price. So our pasta is cooking and I will show you what it looks like all thrown together. See you soon. Bye. Okay, so I added in some, about 1/4 cup of pasta water. I made the pasta water really low so it gets extra starchy. And then I added in some pecorino romano. And what I'm gonna do is add in some half and half. So I'm gonna put the phone down a sec because I wanna make sure that it doesn't separate. But as you can see, I'm adding in my sauce. And then we're gonna add in some cheese and then toss it with our pasta. Okay. Add in a little bit of nutmeg and then a 1/4 cup of Tillamook Italian bread seasoning, Italian bread cheese. And as you can see, our sauce is thickening. I'm gonna add in a little bit more, half and half, and I'll put the measurements right on here. Now, I also have an Instagram. It's Taylor Western Speech Eats _eats. Sorry, I have 2 Instagram pages, but this one's Speech Eats. And you can see other recipes that I don't necessarily make videos on, but I post throughout the week. So, and then to thin it out, what I also like to do is add in a little bit of extra pasta sauce. So I want to be a little bit lighter of a sauce. You can also add some wine to this if you really think that might be good. All right, and we're gonna stir that, and I have it on a low heat so our sauce doesn't break or separate. All right, I'm gonna toss my pasta in and drain it, and then you'll get to see the finished product. Okay, bye. Okay, our pasta is ready. This is my fiance. Say hi, Jay. We are ready to eat. This is Speech Eats, and it looks amazing. Catch you later. Follow me on Instagram, speecheats@slp.com. He's really camera shy.